Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Anna. 2 weeks ago, I went to a nice restaurant with friends. The waiter came to our table and said, "Are you ready to order?" And I froze. I wanted the chicken, but how do I say it? I want chicken? That sounds rude. And then he asked, "How would you like that cooked? Medium? Medium rare?" I had no idea. Then he said, "Any sides with that?" Sides? What are sides? And at the end, he asked, "Room for dessert?" Wait, is there dessert inside a room? That dinner was so stressful. I should have been enjoying delicious food and good conversation. Instead, I was confused and embarrassed. But here's the thing. Restaurant English has specific phrases, polite expressions, and common questions that repeat at every restaurant. Once you know them, dining out becomes easy and enjoyable. Today, we're learning everything about ordering food at a restaurant, from making reservations to paying the bill, from appetizers to dessert. And to help me today, my foodie co-host Ben is here. Ben, do you like eating at restaurants?
I love it. I eat out at least 3 times a week.
Perfect. So you know all the restaurant vocabulary.
Today, we'll make sure everyone can order confidently at any restaurant.
By the end, you'll dine like a local.
Let's dig in.
Here we go. Let's start at the beginning, making a reservation and arriving at the restaurant.
First, calling to make a reservation.
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for tonight, please.
Certainly. For how many people?
A table for 4, please, or party of 4.
What time would you like?
7 p.m., please, or around 7:30 if possible.
May I have a name for the reservation?
Yes, it's under Anna Chen. Under means the reservation name.
Reservation, booking, or table all mean the same thing.
Do you have any availability? Is there a waiting time? Do you take walk-ins?
Walk-ins means people without reservations. Some restaurants only take reservations.
Arriving at the restaurant.
Hi, I have a reservation under Ben.
Welcome. Right this way, please. Follow me.
Table for 2, please. We don't have a reservation. How long is the wait?
It'll be about 20 minutes. Would you like to wait at the bar? I'll call you when your table is ready.
Seating preferences.
Could we have a booth? Do you have a table by the window? Can we sit outside?
Somewhere quiet, please. Not near the kitchen. Away from the door if possible.
Is this table okay? Will this work for you?
This is perfect, thank you. Or, actually, could we move to that table?
Now you're seated. Time to look at the menu.
Menu vocabulary. This is crucial.
Appetizers, starters, entrees, main courses, sides, desserts, beverages.
Appetizers or starters are small dishes before the main meal.
Entrees or main courses are the big dishes. In American English, entree is the main dish.
In British English, entree means starter. Confusing, right?
Sides or side dishes are extras. Fries, salad, vegetables.
Beverages means drinks. Soft drinks are non-alcoholic.
Special menu items.
Chef special, house specialty, daily special, specials board, seasonal menu.
Chef special or house specialty is what the restaurant is famous for.
Daily special changes every day, usually a good deal.
What's the special today? What do you recommend? What's your most popular dish?
Asking about food.
What's in this dish? Is this spicy? How big are the portions?
Can you describe this? What does this come with? Is this vegetarian?
Does this have nuts? Is this gluten-free? What's the difference between these two?
This comes with rice and vegetables. It's moderately spicy. The portions are quite large.
I'm vegetarian. I'm allergic to shellfish. I'm vegan. I don't eat pork.
Always tell the server about allergies. Very important.
Now the main event, ordering.
When the server comes to take your order,
Are you ready to order? What can I get for you? Have you decided?
yes, I'm ready. Or, could we have a few more minutes?
I'd like the, can I get the,
May I have the... I'll try the... Could I please have...
Important note, don't say I want. Say I'd like or I'll have. Much more polite.
Ordering structure. I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
I'll have the steak medium rare with mashed potatoes.
Explaining meat temperatures. Rare, medium, medium well, well done.
How would you like that cooked? How would you like your steak?
Making substitutions. Can I substitute fries for salad? Instead of rice, can I have vegetables?
Can I get that without onions? No tomatoes, please. Extra cheese, please.
Ordering drinks.
What would you like to drink? Can I get you something to drink?
I'll have water, please. Can I get a Coke? Do you have iced tea?
Just water for now. I'll wait to order drinks. What do you have on tap?
When you're not sure.
What do you recommend? What's good here? I can't decide between these two.
The pasta is very popular. I personally love the chicken. Both are excellent.
Okay, I'll go with the pasta. I'll try the chicken then. That sounds perfect.
We'll share the appetizer. Can we get 2 orders of that? 1 for each of us.
We'll split this entree. Can you bring extra plates?
Now you've ordered, let's talk about what happens during the meal.
Common server check-ins.
How is everything? Is everything okay? How's your meal?
Everything's great, thank you. Delicious. Perfect.
Actually, this is a bit cold. I think this isn't what I ordered. This is overcooked.
Would you mind checking on this? Could you bring a new one? I'm sorry, but there's a problem.
I'm so sorry. I'll get you a new one right away. Let me fix that for you.
Requesting things during the meal.
Could we get some more water? May I have extra napkins? Can we get another fork?
Could you bring more bread? Can I get some hot sauce? May we have the check, please?
Check or bill, same thing. In American English, usually check. In British English, bill.
Can we get some ketchup? Do you have any salt? Could we get a to-go box?
To-go box, doggy bag, or takeout container for leftovers.
Can I get this wrapped up? Can I take this home? Could we get boxes?
Between courses.
Would you like to see the dessert menu? Any room for dessert? Can I interest you in dessert?
Yes, please. We're too full, thank you. Maybe just coffee.
What desserts do you have? Can we share one? I'll just have coffee. Finally, let's talk about paying and tipping.
This is important, especially in the United States.
Can we get the check, please? Check, please. We're ready for the bill.
Here's your check. Take your time, whenever you're ready.
Can we split the check? Separate checks, please. We're paying together.
Split the check or split the bill means divide it among people.
Can we split it 3 ways?
Let's just divide it evenly.
I'll get this.
Payment methods.
I'll pay with cash.
Can I use a card?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you take Apple Pay?
Cash or card?
I'll be right back with your change.
Would you like the receipt? Keep the change.
I don't need change.
Can I get a receipt?
Tipping in the United States.
This is crucial. In the US, tipping is expected.
Standard tip is 15 to 20% of the total bill. 15% for okay service, 20% for good service.
Some restaurants add gratuity automatically for large groups. Check the bill.
Easy math. For 20%, move decimal one place left, then double. $50 bill equals $5 times 2 equals $10 tip.
For 15%, move decimal and add half. $50 equals $5 plus $2.50 equals $7.50.
Important note: leave cash tip on table or add to credit card receipt.
Write tip amount on receipt, calculate total, sign.
Finishing the meal. Thank you. Everything was delicious. The service was excellent. We really enjoyed our meal.
Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Hope to see you again.
Thank you. You too. We'll definitely be back.
If you want to compliment, please tell the chef it was amazing. Could you thank the chef?
Kindness and politeness go a long way. I'm getting hungry after all this food talk.
Me too. We covered so much about restaurant dining.
We learned reservations, menu vocabulary, ordering politely, during meal phrases, and paying with tips.
From table for two to check please, everything you need.
Your homework this week? Go to a restaurant and order in English.
Even if it's just a coffee shop, practice saying "I'd like" and "could I have."
Practice the full sequence. Make reservation, order food, ask questions, pay the bill.
You can even practice at home. Pretend to order from a menu.
Remember, servers want to help you. Don't be shy about asking questions.
If you don't understand something, say, "I'm sorry, could you explain that?"
Be polite, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the experience.
Dining out should be fun, not stressful.
And don't forget to tip in the United States.
15 to 20% is standard. Servers depend on tips.
Thank you so much for dining with us today.
If this episode was helpful, please share it with friends learning English.
And subscribe, we have more practical vocabulary coming.
Next time you're at a restaurant, you'll feel confident.
Until next time, bon appétit.
Enjoy your meals.
Order with confidence.
You've got this.
Happy eating, delicious learning.
See you next week.
Stay hungry for knowledge. Goodbye.